T20चा जमाना आहे तर माझा काही स्पीच जास्त मोठा असणार मी एकदम छोटा करू स्पीच इकडे येऊन मला फार आनंद झालेला आहे खास करून ज्यावेळी घरी माझ्या आईला सांगितलं मी गोव्याला जातो आणि अशा शाळेत जाऊन एक इंडोर स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर जे ही फॅसिलिटी मला आत्ता सांगितलेली क्रिकेटसाठी आहे आणि नंतर बाकीच्या वेगवेगळ्या स्पॉटसाठी पण वापरले जाईल हे ऐकलं मला फार आनंद झाला ऑब्वियसली ज्या वेळेला गोव्याला कधी येत होते त्यावेळेला नंतर मला ऑलवेज मेसेज येतो की वेगवेगळ्या देवळात जाऊन आशीर्वाद देणं एवढी पवित्र जागा आहे की एवढे माणसं त्यासाठी नाही अपेक्षेने येतो बऱ्याच वेळेला माझ्या आईबरोबर फुटबॉल पण झालेले आहेत तिकडे दाखवतो आईला देऊ ज्यावेळेला मी ह्या शाळेत आता आलो सकाळी त्यावेळेला मला तुमची एनर्जी खूप फार आनंद झाला मला स्टेजमध्ये एक वर्ष मी झालो आणि ऑल्सो कुठेतरी माझ्या डोक्यात माझं लहानपण माझ्यासमोर उभं आहे मी समोर इथे लांब स्पीकर आली आहे मी जस्ट काही छोटे मेसेज दिलेला आहे कारण माझ्या डोळ्यात ते माणसं इथे फार बसले ते तुम्हाला ॲडव्हाइस देऊ शकतील मी ॲज अ फ्रेंड म्हणून तुम्हाला मेसेज देतो सगळ्या मुला मुलींना this is the age to build those relationships. शाळेचे मित्र ऑलवेज तुमच्याबरोबर एका लांब जर्नीसाठी तुमची परवानगी देतात you dream together, you chase your dreams together. Sometimes we choose our own paths. But what I intend to say here is, chase your dreams. The path might be tough. The path will be challenging. Don't cut corners and find shortcuts. I remember when I was of your age, I was also naughty kid. And it's good to be naughty. But it's important to be able to appreciate when you can have fun and when you need to be serious in life. So, I remember when I started playing cricket, there was suddenly a naughty muga seriously focused on life. I had a goal in life. I wanted to chase my dream. Suddenly, that naughty kid became a disciplined kid, more determined, more focused, someone who was prepared to work hard on the field because that was my dream to play for India. There are no shortcuts in life. Today, ideal अच्छा generation everything they want right now. They advise on the you can either have it live or you can have it now. So you need to appreciate in life because there is no such thing as right now. You have to get it right, and for that you need to spend X number of hours working every day. My father gave me a clear message that I was blessed with it, and every day, every child here is blessed with some ability. You need to worship that with both your hands and treasure it. The moment you start taking things for granted, that is the beginning of your downfall. So at whatever level you reach, continue to be a student of that profession. I call it passion. It was my passion, never a profession. It was my life and continues to be my life. So whatever you want to be in life, give it 100% right. Because then there is more time to enjoy your life with your friends, with your friends, with your family members, everyone. But given that point, you should be totally focused and committed to what you want to achieve in life. We all aspire to be someone in life. You got a great opportunity. There are some great facilities here. You have beautiful opportunity to bring knowledge to the nation. I hope you go out, do your best, give it your best shot, and bring knowledge to our country. Again, I don't want to make it long. This is all I wish to speak. All the very best. Enjoy these moments because these moments will pass by much sooner than you expect. So enjoy these moments and do your best.